Alright guys, it's windy today. Sorry if the audio is shot. But we're out here at a popular place that I haven't filmed at yet. But you can see just how trashed the place is. All that reflection right there, that's all glass. There was a picker back there picking up some brass, but I beat him to this spot. And just so you know, you guys forgot the bucket, so this video is ruined because of you. So you're already off to a bad start. However, I rolled up right on top of all this, so I guess that makes up for it. But I got to carry everything around in my little pouch today, in my hoodie pouch. Found 9mm. I wonder if there's anything else out here. Today I also brought along some goodies. I've got my shotgun, I've got my 308 bolt action. Oh. I got my clay pigeon thrower, which I haven't got a chance to use yet. And you shoot it with the trigger, which is pretty sweet. I've got my pistol, my 9mm. Brought the target. I don't know if I'm going to use all of this today, but I brought it for fun, obviously. There's brass. You gotta pick it up when you see it, otherwise you lose it. And yeah, it's a little windy, like I said, but it'd be cool if I could set up a target like 100 yards downrange and sight in my 308. It's pretty close. It'll be on paper. I'm just trying to get it really dialed in. So in the meantime, we're picking up brass. There's some here. There's one right here. 9mm. 9mm. A lot of 22 out here. One 9mm. What do we do with this? Can't reload it. What do you do with it? There's also high brass shotgun shells, but I don't reload shotgun shells. Not many people do. However, over the last few years, they have gone up a lot in price. I'd love to find some 308 or some 223. Seems like everyone just shoots 9mm out here. We're gonna head down that way a little bit. There's somebody over there. I think that guy's probably collecting brass too. Where is he? Right there. You guys are really screwing up today. You even forgot the tripod. I don't know why I bring you with me. You're no help. Alright, I can't stand it. I gotta try the clay pigeon thrower. In case you guys didn't know, back pockets are for ammo. Alright, we're gonna have to do something creative here. This takes two hands. You load that in there, pull this thing back, this yellow lever, and I need two hands for this. I can't just shoot it, so we're gonna have to go like this. And then drop it, I guess. Let's try it. No, I don't have enough time for that. This is a two-person job here, because I don't want to just throw this on the ground. So not like you guys can help with that. So you're still worthless. It's kind of rude. I'll just throw it. One. I only have probably six shells with me, so let's see if I can do 2. Oh, I ran out of ammo. I had 2 in my back pocket, should have checked. I thought I put 4 in. I put 3 in. You guys are supposed to tell me. Let's try 2 again. All right, here we go. Hopefully you can see it. How many I got left? 1, 2, 3. Can I do 3? Can I do 3? Here we go, here's 3. Can't even do 1 of the 3. Oh, forget it. Wow, that was bad. All right, on to the next stop. So we're just driving along here. I didn't get 100 feet, and we struck brass. This is a good one. Look at all this 223 and 9 mil. 223, baby. Whole pile of it. That's exactly what I was looking for today. Now if we find some 308, we'll have to drive down the state line and buy a lotto ticket. Because the lotto does not happen in Nevada. Saw some more here. The reason why I packed up and moved was because after I got done shooting the shotgun, there's a guy just wandering around the desert kind of close to me picking up brass. So if I'm gonna get any today, I gotta be in front of them. There's a bunch right there. Bunch over here, they're everywhere. Got so far. This is way better than last time, huh? Keep this open for now. What we got so far, I'm still looking. Still a lot right here. There's a full 9mm. Look at that. I don't know how those guys overlooked all this. Unless someone was shooting here on the left while they were out and about. But I'll take it. I like it when people don't move around when they shoot. All the ammo's just in the spot for me. I think those guys saw what I was doing and they might go on ahead of me. The guy that drove by in a car, he was with the other guy. That's okay. Today's a Monday. A lot of people come out over the weekend and shoot and leave all their brass. There's a lot of 9 here. Alright, so we moved down the road a bit. We were shooting here, we came in from over there. But as I drive, I look because I found stuff like this. 45. 45. Unused 22. It's the 3rd or 4th live round I found today. It's another 45. Thought I saw something in there. Maybe not. Oh yeah, 22. Alright, excuse me. 223. And another 45. You guys over here just left. So I wanted to get here before somebody else did. So it's looking like I've got a lot of brass here, here. There's some up there. So I'll see what we come away with. I'm running out of light, so I'm gonna try and get this done pretty quick. Not on camera. Look at this. Look at this. All this 22 just dumped out of this guy's gun or something. I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Look at that. That's awesome. All right, I'll let you know if I find anything else. This is what I found already. This box is probably filled to here with brass. 9mm 22 that is still fresh. And look at this. If I can pull it out here, yeah. 50 AE. Nice. There's a couple in there. I found the empty box, so there's got to be a few more. There's 223, 300 black. I'm still looking. But man, there's a lot of it out here. It's impossible to get all of it. That's probably why when I come behind someone else who's already picked it, there's still some left over, you know. But man, today's been killer. Sun's going down. I'm gonna have to get out of here pretty soon. Here's a bunch more. It's just all over. Too bad y'all didn't bring the bucket. I forgot a lot of stuff this trip, actually. I forgot 9mm, like to actually shoot. So I shot some, I had like 1 mag. So I shot that. And what else did I forget? I don't know. I don't know what else I forgot, it doesn't matter. Just 9mm for days. Probably picked up 100 rounds already, if not more, just in this stop. Guys, there's still like another probably 100 shells out there, at least. That's all from my back pocket with a little bit of dirt. And here's the pouch. Yeah, that's a lot. That's only half of it. Today's haul. A lot of brass. Let's dump this out, see what we got. Was there a better way to do that? Absolutely not. .308 is from what I shot. 45, 9, 223. What's that 50 at? What's this one? 45. That looks brand new. All right, here's a bunch of that 22 that we found. That's unspent. We'll put that in the unspent bin. In the usable ammo bin, more like it. But I picked up a couple of these so you could see. This is aluminum and compared to brass, and then there's a steel one in here as well to kind of show you guys the difference of ammo. This is steel cased. So brass is what we reload. Aluminum is too hard of a steel, or metal rather, to throw through the dies, the recycling dies, and this will break it for sure. So that's garbage. But I just want to show you guys what the different types of ammo are. There's that 50A. I need to find a lot more of these. That would be awesome. Then I have justification to buy a gun chambered in 50A. It just makes sense. At least to me it does. So I'll sort through these and get all the good ammo. Here's a 9 that I found. All the good ammo are out. So we sorted out the live rounds from the brass. This is what we got. 2 9mm and a bunch of 22. Put that in there. This is all free ammo. Throw this in the tumbler to clean it up. And sort it out after that. It's been about 4 hours. That should be enough time to get this brass clean. Clean enough to sort anyway. Let's see. Oh yeah. Putting some more of that polish in there really helped. Nice and shiny. Sweet. Let's get the tumbler. Separate this stuff. See all the dirt and stuff. I should probably clean that before the next time. Oh, I gotta put that in there anyway. You're gonna get rocks and stuff in here. It's good to pick them out when you see them. Plastic bits. All right, I got it sorted out. I had a lot more 40 mixed in with the 9 than I thought. I mean, everything I thought I was picking up was mainly 9, which it was. I mean, I've got a half an ammo can of 9, but when you're out there, 40 looks a lot like 9 when you're just picking stuff up. But when you get it next to each other, it's quite a difference. And the 9 actually fits into the 40. So a lot of times after you throw it through the tumbler, they end up like this, but that's okay. So we picked up 9, we picked up 40, we picked up 45, we picked up 308, which those are the 3 that I shot, and then 223. This is 50 AE, and 1 300 Blackett. Let's put these in here. It's 45. I've almost got a jar full of 45. Kind of running out of space on 223. Yeah. I think we'll put the 40 in a new jar. Throw those in there. This is a 270. Oh, 220. It's kind of an oddball cartridge. 220. It's like an oversized 223. Cool. All right, guys, I'm waiting on some parts for my reloader. And once we get those in, we can start doing some reloading. I'll show you guys how I do it. Have a good week.